Welcome back to Calculus 1. This is Chapter 0. We're looking at Module 0.1.3, which is homework number 3, specifically question 3D. The solution for this question is negative 7.5 degrees per minute. That's the instantaneous rate of change of the cooling. So again, what have we got? Well, when we are looking for an instantaneous rate of change, not an average, but an instantaneous rate of change, what we are talking about, okay, is this means that we're looking for, that we need the slope of the tangent line. So when we say instantaneous rate of change, we're talking about the tangent line, not the secant line. So we're looking for the slope of the tangent line. So when we're just given a graph like this, what we need to do is we need to eyeball in the tangent line as best we can. So here's the points at which we're trying to find the instantaneous rate of cooling. And so I'm going to draw in the tangent line. And that's actually not that bad of a drawing, but I'm going to try to make it better, and I'm actually going to make it worse. So again, I'm narrating this after I've already done it, so I know what a mess I make here. So we'll go ahead and we'll erase that. And we'll try to draw in this a little bit better. I've got a straight edge here, but it doesn't work too well on this computer screen. Okay, so we're in the ballpark, okay? When your line misses your point, you make the point just a little bit bigger. So now I need to find another point on the tangent line, because what I'm looking for is the slope of that black line. That's the instantaneous rate of change at 8. So I'm going to pick another point, let's say over here at 10, and I'll try to follow it over as best I can. It looks like, close enough. We'll give it a height value of 60. So here's 80, remember, and here's 90. And so if we look at 8, so now we've got the 2 points, and so if we look at the points 8, comma, now what is 8 at a height at? Well, we just saw in the last video that it's at a height, or 2 videos ago, that's at a height of 75. So there it is right there. And then 10, of course, is at a height of 60. Now, we don't have a whole lot of room over here, so I'll just put it up top. So at 10 minutes, the height value, or the temperature of the cup of coffee, is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So we need our change in our y over our change in our x. Our change in our y is the change in the temperature. Change in x is the change in the time. So the change in the y is going to be equal to, we'll do 75 minus 60. We're going to divide that by 8 minus 10. Make sure you stay in order. So this is going to give me 15 over negative 2, which reduces to 7.5. So it's a negative 7.5 degrees per minute. That's how quickly the cup of coffee is cooling per minute here. That's how quickly the cup of coffee is cooling per minute at a time of 8, or 8 minutes.